friends, welcome to another episode. I am your host, Fancy Nancy, and here with me I have Buddy. And today we are going to show you guys our Christmas house.
Merry Christmas, everyone, from the Thin Blue Lane.
As you all know, we're going to be traveling soon, so stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of travel videos coming up, and we're going to be having some huge adventures, you guys. I am so excited, and so is Buddy. Aren't you excited, Buddy? We're going to be going adventures together. So thank you for coming into my Christmas house. I'm going to show you exactly what I did. What I love about this decor is that it is travel friendly because we are getting ready to go. It is budget friendly also as well. And you can make your house look really homey. And I just love it. I just love Christmas. So if you guys like this video, tell me in the comments, give me some ideas of what type of videos would you guys like to see? Do you like these decorating videos? Just give us some tips, ask us some questions. Would love to get to know you guys. And thank you for tuning in again, you guys. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And all of us here, including Buddy at the Thin Blue Lane, are going to be staying tuned with you guys to bring you more incredible, adventurous content. So go ahead and give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe.